For my latest story, I spoke to transgender people about what it's like to have to essentially announce to the world that they're transgender if they want to legally change their name. In Wisconsin, there's a 167-year-old law that requires you to publish your old name and new name in the newspaper if you want to undergo a legal name change. Transgender people, their families, and advocates say that publication requirement poses a heightened risk as President Donald Trump has attacked transgender rights. It's intended to keep people from escaping debts or criminal records. But in this new day and age, when everything gets posted online, that can really follow you for the rest of your life. It will say your dead name or your old name and your new name. And also in many cases, it'll say your home address, which can expose them to harassment, risks like violence or doxing. So I talked to one family who has a transgender son who changed his name when he was 15. Now that he's 18 and applying for jobs and going off to college, when you search his name, one of the first things that comes up is his court record showing that he changed his name and outing him as transgender. Wisconsin is not alone in this. A little less than half the states in the country have some form of publication requirement saying that people who are going through a legal name change have to publish in a newspaper or something like that sometimes or all of the time. Lawyers told me that Wisconsin's public name change process essentially creates a data set of likely transgender people that people who want to do harm could use to harass people, to enact violence. The latest U.S. transgender survey found that 22% of respondents reported that they faced some form of negative consequence for having a legal document that didn't match their presentation. So this is why transgender people say it's really important to have an ID, like a passport or a birth certificate or a driver's license that matches how they present, that matches their identity, and that this law makes it harder. Head to the link in our bio to read the full story.